Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Allianz. So let me take you to the website, which is allianz.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Allianz is a global financial services company established in 1890. It operates in over 70 countries, offering a wide range of insurance and asset management services. These include life, health insurance, property, casualty, and travel insurances, as well as asset management through subsidiaries like PMCO and Allianz Global Investors. Known for the innovation and customer focus, Allianz is a trusted leader in the insurance and asset management sectors. So you can come to the website, learn all about them, and once you're here, I want you to click on About Us and go to Allianz Contacts. This will take you to this page. Over here, you can scroll down to Allianz Worldwide, and here you will see different countries. And depending on your country or the country of your audience, you might want to click on it. So for example, if I go to Americas, if I click on USA, it will take me to this section. And if I scroll down here, I will see all the information. For example, if I click on Allianz Commercial, I'll see their details, the address, the website, and everything. And same way, if I click on insurance company, I'll get to see the website. So different region would have different website and addresses, and this will help you to explore all different websites of Allianz catering to different countries' audience. So this is how you can explore different website of Allianz. But why are we exactly here? We are here to earn money from Allianz. How do we do that? We simply have to join the affiliate program of Allianz, start promoting them to our audience, start bringing revenue to them, and when we do that, we'll end up getting commission. So how do we start? And who can join the affiliate program of Allianz? As such, I didn't see any restrictions. So regardless of your location, you could end up joining the affiliate program of Allianz. To the audience of which country can you promote? Now, this depends on the affiliate program that you will be joining for Allianz, and we will talk about it shortly. So let me take you to the website called Sowan, or rather Sowan Commerce or Affiliates. This is the website, and don't worry, I'm going to mention the link in the video description. Now, why are we talking about Sowan Commerce and what it has to do with Allianz? So Sowan Commerce is one of the top affiliate marketing network out there. What is the work of an affiliate marketing network? So affiliate marketing network provide a platform to affiliates to connect with different brands and to join the affiliate program of these brands. So in order for you to join the affiliate program of majority of the brands, you have to join the respective affiliate network. So in our case, in order for us to be part of the affiliate program of Allianz, we have to join Sowan Commerce as an affiliate. So how do you do that? Once you're here, you can click on sign up and it will take you to this page. Over here, you can enter the details and go through with the registration. Now, what you understand, there are many nuances that come into play. That's why I'm going to mention the link to this page directly in the website, and you will also find a link to the video. Now, in that video, I have covered how to create an affiliate account and use the affiliate account on Sowan Commerce. And I highly recommend you to watch the video that will clear stuff for you when it comes to Sowan Commerce affiliate account. So let's say you already have an account with them, or if you have created an account now, in that case, you can click on sign in here, go to Sowan Commerce, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can enter your credential and log in, which will take you to something called Sowan Commerce affiliate dashboard or platform. Now, this is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands out there, but our focus of the video is only Allianz, so we will focus on them. So to join the affiliate program of Allianz or to explore them, you can click on Commerce, and over there you can click on Approved Merchant. And here you will see all the different merchants, or rather brands or advertisers, which are available within Sowan Commerce as approved already. You don't have to apply to them. So long as you got the approval from Sowan Commerce team, you can explore any brands you like and start promoting them. So in our case, over here in the search, you can type in Allianz. Just ensure you're writing the spelling correctly, Allianz, and then click enter. So when you do that, you will see different programs available here. So you see Allianz Assistance, UK, Spain, India, different region here. Then there's Allianz Physical Insurance. Then this one is for Germany. This is Allianz Travel and Travel France. And then there's another one. So these are different affiliate programs available for Allianz. And if you want to know more about them, you can just click on the hyperlink and that will give you more details. So we clicked on Allianz Assistance UK, and over here we see the commission rate is 10%, and there's a possibility for you to earn on click as well. And if you scroll down, you will see domain in here. So that means in this affiliate program, you can only promote these links. You can only create tracking link out of these websites. You can basically go to this website, different pages on these websites as well. You can create tracking link for, and if you click on countries, you will see the country of the audience. That means this program, if you create tracking link for this program, you would only be able to get commission if you bring audience to them and the revenue of those audience, and if these audience belong to UK. So what if you created a tracking link for this website, and if you are giving it to someone else, maybe from USA, and you bring revenue to Allianz, you'll get commission? Highly likely not, because per this program, you would only be able to get commission if you have brought revenue from someone from UK. So like this, you can explore different affiliate program and see the available options, and especially this one, Allianz Travel, because it has 10.45% commission. That's great. And if I click here, Allianz Travel, there's something else as well that I want to bring to attention, and that is earning per click. So it's highly likely that you will get $0.54 as earning per click too. But that doesn't mean you should be clicking your own tracking link. They have mechanism to track that. So I'm talking about the actual clicks that happens through audience. So you could earn through clicks as well. You could earn through bringing revenue as well. And if you click on network rates, you get to see more about commission, like how much commission you would get for what is the range is. Then if you click on domains, that means you can promote this domain. So if you click here, it will take you to this website. That means in order for you to promote this program, the affiliate program of Allianz Travel, you should be promoting this website. You can also promote different section of the website. For example, if I click on travel insurance, it will take me to this section, the travel insurance page. I can also promote this page, because see, look at the website. So long as it should be matching with the program, that's all what is needed. So see, it's matching here. That's all what we need. So we can promote different web pages of the same website. So over here, countries, if you click on countries, you will even see more countries in here. So it is not specific to just one country or set of 2 or 3 countries. Basically, if you promote this website or any web page of this website, you can promote it to any consumer out there, regardless of the country, and you could end up getting commission out of it. Wouldn't that be amazing? So how do you promote them? You can't just take any link from the website and start promoting them. You should create tracking link. And for that, you can copy this link. Let me show you so that you would know how to create tracking link, and not just this link, any link from their website. Click on create link over here. Ensure you are in the respective affiliate program pop-up. And once you're here, you can select your site. If you click here, you will see all the register site in here. So this is your online presence that you must have given while creating an account with Soman Commerce, and you would receive approval from. And this is super important. Whatever site you're picking here, you should only be promoting your tracking links on that specific online presence. You're not allowed to promote that anywhere else. Super important is, then you select your site in here, you mention the product URL in here. So any web page URL doesn't matter. You could even mention the website URL if you like. It doesn't necessarily have to be product or service URL. It could be any URL, and here you can name it. So let's say I'm going to name it as travel insurance by Allianz. Okay, let me update it too. Okay, so it says travel insurance Allianz. Depending on you, whatever you name it, totally up to you. You can also click on tracking and put different details if you like, but this is optional. You can also go to advanced settings and make the settings, but again, this is optional. But for now, let's keep it simple. You can choose your site, mention the URL that you want to create tracking link for, give it a name, and click on create. When you do that, it will create a tracking link and it will copy it for you. So you can paste it anywhere. Let's see if I'm going to paste it in here. Look at it. This is my tracking link for that specific web page. Now, if I share this link with anyone, if they would click on it, it will redirect them to that specific page. So this is how Soman Commerce would know that click, or rather the revenue, came through my efforts. So this is how you create tracking link. Now, once you've created tracking link, you could have created 10 and 20 or 30 tracking links where would you see all those tracking links you have created. For that, you can click on create links, and over there you would see all the links that you have created. So you got the tracking link. Now what? Now you can start promoting Allianz, but the question is, where exactly can you promote them? We understood we should be promoting them on our online presence that's being approved by Soman Commerce, but do you have any idea what kind of online presence could that be? So I have some ideas. It could be any website, doesn't matter, whatever kind of website you got, maybe just promote them on your website the way you like. This is kind of free form. So you find an innovative idea, just go with it and start promoting them on your website. Maybe put an advertisement somewhere on a specific web page, maybe keep it on top of your website, bottom of your website, or somewhere in center, totally up to you. Then comes the blog, which I think would be better here compared to website, because in blog you could write blog posts about different insurance from different region of Allianz, and maybe you can do some comparison. And then within the blog post, you put the tracking link of Allianz, and this way, when people would read the blog post, would be empowered to click on the link, will bring revenue, and you end up getting commission. And the second way here is a social media, which in my opinion is way better than website and blog, because there are many things you could do. People stay in social media interacting with each other. So on social media, you could create posts, you could do reels, videos, totally up to you. Maybe create reels and put the tracking link somewhere in the description. Maybe you do video and put the link in the video description. So it's up to you. Social media, you can use it the way you like, so long as it's ethical. Then the third, which I like the most here, and in my opinion could be better here, and that is insurance and financial website. So let's say you got a website specializes in insurance kind of details, or let's say financial kind of details. So audience, the traffic that comes to these websites are interested to learn more about insurance companies or financial companies. So maybe you might want to have a specific section on your website, let's call it just insurance. And when people would click on it, they can see about Allianz insurances, and maybe you might want to join all the affiliate program of Allianz and put tracking link and create banners and put different banners of Allianz depending on the region on that specific section. So this is how you can promote them, and it's not just specific to that. There are many ways you could do whatever comes to your mind. Just ensure it has to be ethical, because affiliate marketing is all about trust. So keep that building from the perspective of brand and from the perspective of customers too. So let's say you put a tracking link on your online presence, you start bringing revenue to Allianz. Where would you see your performance? For that, you can come to your affiliate dashboard once again. Over here, you could go to analytics, and when you click on analytics, you get to see all your performance. You can use filters, dates, and everything, and you get to see revenue, clicks, sales, conversion rate, on per click, click-through rate, and page views. And this is how you get to see your performance. If you click on revenue, over here, you get to see your revenue generation as well. Now, what about the payment? All the commission that will get generated here will be paid out to you. So Allianz will pay the commission to Sovereign Commerce, and Sovereign Commerce will issue the commission to you. So how do you get the commission? For that, you have to ensure you update your payment method. And in order to do that, you click on your profile icon from the bottom left hand side, and you click on payment, and it will take you to a section where you would be able to update your payment details. There are 4 payment methods available to you. So that is check, PayPal, wire transfer, and local bank transfer. So you can update any of these method as your payment method. So once you have updated your payment method, then you can start expecting the commission from Someone Commerce, assuming you have started bringing revenue to Allianz. Now, there is one more condition. Someone Commerce will only issue the commission to you once it have exceeded the threshold of 25 USD, 25 US dollars. So only then you can expect to receive commission being released from Sovereign Commerce. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Allianz. You start promoting them, start bringing revenue to them, and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Allianz. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.